Hey everybody. I received a package in the mail today. I think this is from, this is from my YouTube subscriber, Marcy. I don't know what she's gotten up to. This is the second one she sent me. I'm excited to see what is in it. I don't know what it is. I was not expecting anything, so I'll close my eyes. I'm going to open it up. See what we have inside. Oh my god. That is so cute. It's like you can make little bat chocolates or ice cubes, baking molds. But they're bats. Clip lights. What is this? Oh my god. Did she hand make these? Oh my god. She made crocheted bats that I can clip on and it makes like a light. Look at how cute that is. Just in time for spooky season. And then I guess I would clip it to this, put batteries in it, and then I can hang it up. Oh my god, that is so cute. Thank you, Marcy. She made a bunch of them. Look. That's adorable. What is this? Organic catnip for my cats. Woohoo! Little cat toys. Let's see what this is. What a sweetheart, eh? Nice. Oh, batteries. Love that. Oh my god. I just ran out of cat treats today. What are the odds of the timing that I just ran out of cat treats? I'm going to read the note before I go through the rest. Joyce has a little ladybug stamp with my name and a little sunflower. What a sweetheart. You're the best, Marcy. What do we got here? Ooh. Dear Kanaskia, thank you for being so kind. I look forward to your videos and I'm so impressed by your dedication and motivation. It's refreshing to watch a YouTuber who is honest and real. Take care, Marcy. She sent that yesterday. The 3rd of September. That's fast. Oh, Express Post. No way. Put this stuff over here. There's still more stuff in here. How adorable. Oh my god, that's the best. That is the best gift ever. Did she make a... What is this? I close my eyes. Oh my golly. It says gym bats on it. Oh my god, I love it. Oh. That is the cutest. He's a little jewel. It says gym bats. It's a little bat toy. That's going on my altar. I already have the cat that she made me before sitting on my altar. So we got one more thing in here. Oh, more cat toys. My cats are gonna love that. Thank you, Marcy. Love that. That's amazing. I have the best fans, honestly. The best supporters in the whole world. Alright guys, have a great day.